Check the toilet and surrounding connections for any signs of leaks or instability immediately after reinstalling the new unit. Start by slowly turning the water supply back on and watching the supply line and shutoff valve for any drips. Tighten the compression nut by hand and give it a quarter turn with pliers if needed, but avoid over-tightening, which can crush fittings. Inspect the tank to bowl gasket area for moisture while the tank fills and after it has filled. A damp or wet flange or base usually means the tank bolts or gasket need reseating, or the tank to bowl connection is not compressing evenly. Press lightly on the bowl rim and wiggle the toilet to test for rocking. If the bowl moves, set it back down, remove the toilet, shim the flange with thin waterproof shims, and retighten bolts evenly to avoid cracking the porcelain. Flush multiple times and watch the fill and drain cycle. Confirm the fill valve shuts off when the reservoir reaches the correct water line and that the bowl refill tube directs water into the overflow tube so the trap seals correctly. Check the closet bolts and caps to ensure the bolt caps are installed and seated so they will not trap water, and run a towel around the base and under the tank to detect slow weeps that may not be obvious. Finally, monitor the toilet for at least 15 minutes, and then again after a few hours of normal use to catch slow leaks or septic gurgling that indicate a vent or trap issue. Common mistakes include leaving the supply nuts slightly loose, which causes slow drips, so always retighten and test under pressure. Uneven tightening of tank or bowl bolts, which can cause cracks or leaks, so tighten nuts in small increments on alternating sides until snug. And not checking the wax ring or flange seating, which leads to base leaks, so reinstall and confirm a solid level seat with the correct ring type for your flange height. Address a persistent running tank by adjusting or replacing the fill valve and ensuring the flapper seats cleanly. Stop a rocking bowl by adding corrosion-resistant shims and retorquing the bolts carefully. And cure slow base leaks by removing the toilet, replacing the wax ring, or using a wax-free seal, and confirming the flange is not broken. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and lets us share project experiences in our discussion community. We help contractors find leads, while homeowners get real feedback and practical tips for tasks like post-installation toilet checks.